Okay, every returns true if all the values in the list passes the predicate function truth test, short circuits, and stop traversing the list if a false element is found. So by false and truth, they mean falsy values and truthy values. And yeah, I think it's an easy one. So this is their example. So here they are asking, is all the numbers in this list even by this callback function? And the result is false because we have 5. So node every, and we have false. Also, if you pass it an empty array to return it true, I think maybe the logic behind this that if there is no elements, it will return it true because it did not loop. It did not loop on anything. So by default, they are assuming that this list will return true, and since they did not loop over it, they just return that true value. I think that's it. And here we have value inside the array, which is null. This is false value to return false. So let me console log. Okay, now const every 2 will accept a list. So this is a function and a context. Now let's assume that everything in the list is a truthy. So this is it, and I'll just return that. But before I return it, I'll just check. So for of item in the list, if we found item that returns falsy from the callback function or itself falsy, so as you can see here, we did not pass callback function. In that case, they will just check the value itself. So if as soon as I see a value that returns falsy or itself falsy, if there is a function or not, I will just short circuit and return from there. So if you have the function, check for the context before calling the function. If we have it, the context, so I'm binding the context to the function with the context, else just call the function. And yeah, so else just the item itself, and we need to put not. So if this returns false, I'll just return from here false, also not here. Right, let me format this. Now I can just copy these examples here, use every two. We should see the same thing. Okay, false to false. This one is easy.